A lot of truck drivers, they've been reaching out. Every time I'm somewhere, I mean, they was like, yo, it's hard for us out here and you being in there taking them straps. So, yo, is there any way you can fit me in with Dr. Joe? They're like, listen, go on the website. Go on the website and they say, hey, I'm a truck driver, blah, blah, blah. I'm trying to get it because he's only here for, sometimes out the month. He's not here all month. Yeah. It's like, I'll go to Tampa, I'll go to Atlanta. I'm like, yo, just go on the website, see what's the availability. One dude told me, no, he's booked for like 2 months. I'm like, okay, all right, I don't know.
Well, a lot of the times what people don't realize, if they call up the office, my sister-in-law gets it, she'll put people in like first patient or last patient of the day. Because I get those people like that are like either truck drivers or people that are like, like flying into a city. Like if they're in Tampa, they're only in Tampa for a day. And they're like, oh crap, I remember that chiropractor. Even though everything's booked, I'll fit them in because I know they're only there for that one day.
Yeah, I'll be at truck stops and I'm like, I know you. I'm like, so you the man? I'm like, you and your doctor? Yo, how you let him get on top of the table? I'm like, because he's like I said, the last time I was here and you was up here and Mama Sip was over here. He's like, how you let him pull it from on top of the table? I'm like, yo, he's a beast. Leave him alone. Oh man, but yeah, man. I got to shout out those freaking truck drivers, man. We all out there just doing what I do. It is what it is. We out there killing each other, ourselves out there to supply this damn country that don't want to look out for us and raise money, man, because, all these damn restrictions they're giving us, man, it's crazy. But anyway, whenever you're ready. We was rolling? My bad. My bad, sorry. Hey. I feel good, uncomfortable lately, with the driving, whatever, but, out of the owner, everything on the bottom all good, just a little tenseness on the top and stuff like that. So, but we're good. We're out here,
Let's
like
get
always.
You back up.
Yeah, man.
All right, heck yeah.
Let's get this ready. Oh boy.
Not bad, maybe a millimeter short on the right, barely. So leg length is actually balanced out quite well. How's that feeling through here?
Just on the top, on the higher. The bottom is all good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just up here.
Just up and through here?
Yeah, because sitting up and pushing and all that stuff. Once in a while I'll wake up with a little bit of, but once I take off,
then you
got my body, I'm good.
Gotcha.
But it's nothing with the bottom, it's all on the top.
Some little trigger point action done first. Help loosen this all up. I know this feels really good, huh? This way I can really use my body weight too. There we go. There we go. I know you felt that guy.
Woo!
See if we can get one more like that. Heck yeah. Wow. Dang. Holy crap, man. I'm rocking you with those.
Oh boy.
I know you're feeling them. If it wasn't for that loud drop at the table, man, everyone would be like, cause it was, bursh. Oh, I gotta see. Let's see if we can get one more of them.
Oh boy. I want to take the breath off.
See if we can do one drop down here. Oh, that was really good too. Whew. Man, you're moving really good today.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
How did those feel?
Ah man, those were big ones.
Yeah.
Those were big ones.
You got work on it.
You can see it in my face, I'm sweating. Oh boy.
No, those are probably some of the biggest ones I've heard in a long time with you.
Wow.
Like, holy.
As I said, it's like all the tension from the driving. That's why I recommend, drug drivers, man, get out here, man. Come see Dr. Joe. Get situated, man, because, oh boy, we could take a beating on them chairs, man. It's just sitting there for 11 or 14 hours a day, man.
Dang, I'll tell you right now, from actually when you first walked in to now, dude, this is already a huge difference.
A lot of people don't understand. They're like, they don't see differences. Listen, there is a big difference, man. I'm mobile. We have our days.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. And then we have those pops. Oh man, you gotta love it, boy. Whew.
Let's check the other side here.
Yeah, it's not gonna be too bad. That one wasn't too bad.
Nah.
Oh. Oh boy. Go face down again.
gotta mentally prepare yourself, huh?
Oh boy.
Because you know we're going about T-minus 25 more drops right now.
Oh man. Oh.
See if we can get another one up through here. Flip onto your back. Actually, stay down here. Let me go like. Gotcha.
I'm going back.
Yep.
Oh boy. Oh wow.
There we go.
Oh. Whew. Wow. Woo! Oh, wow.
What did you feel?
That was a hell of a decompression right there, boy. Oh, man. I felt amazing, dude. Oh.
There we go. Let's get you one more good one like that. Yeah, I'm telling you, even just like from when you walked in, I can really notice a difference. Cause I just had you, what was it?
A couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
A couple of weeks ago that I haven't seen you in a while.
Correct. I think that last one loosened things up for today. Because you're moving heck of good.
Moving around and doing what we do, you know. Keeps me mobile. Sometimes we have our bad days, you know, I wake up and, you know, we have our off days sometimes, but, you know, the most important thing is I'm mobile. I'm able to move around, do the things that I gotta do. So, I'm happy for that.
Heck yeah.
I'm happy for it.
back and front.
Alright, here we go again.
Round 2.
Oh.
Oh, get your chin doing. No, okay.
Boys, don't be trying this on your little sister, please. Don't try this at home. Oh boy.
Yeah, that is getting everything decompressed.
Oh. Told Mama Sip last time she got competition now. Oh boy.
Now, more importantly, how you feeling?
Feel good like always. I come in with the need and I leave content, stress relief. It's that weight, that monkey off your back, man, that just...
Heck yeah.
You know, it's just gonna keep coming, it's just gonna keep coming, I'm just gonna keep going after it. Oh boy, man. It's a good feeling, dude.
I love it, little by little, chipping away back at it. Glad you got your back on a little bit more of a routine coming in. Well, actually, it's your wifey who's onto
My
you.
wife is cracking a whip and get back. Yeah, she is the...
Get your...
She's getting me in here. She's the one who's pushing me. So yeah. Gotta do it for the family. Do it for myself, for my health. But, you know, she's cracking that whip, so I gotta give it to her. Oh boy. Well, thank you, baby.
Yeah, well.